Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my April Ipsy Unbagging. So for one, I really like this bag. Like, I like the butterfly and then like the rose gold detailing, and then like the back is like a pastel purple. This is a really cute bag. So the theme for this month is social butterfly. And then there's like a fact: life's too short to, it says life's too short and your makeup's too good to skip all the fun stuff that's happening right now. So we challenge you to be your best self and have your best spring. So, and this is the picture. But I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the products I got. So the first thing is this Glamour Dolls brush, and I believe it's supposed to be a tapered blending brush. It has, versus Glamour Dolls, and it has a little rose, and then it's rose gold, and then just a little brush. It would probably be really good for like crease work. And I love makeup brushes, so this will definitely be used. I'm sure you'll be seeing it in upcoming videos. Alright, and the next thing is this Mana Kadar Eye Candy Step 3 Priming Shadow Stick in S'more. It's a like brownish coppery, and I think you're supposed to like blend it out. And like when you blend it out, it pretty much just like looks like, not to be mean, but it looks like my hand's dirty. Like I just look like I have dirt on my hand. And like sometimes these things don't blend out well in my eyes, but I mean, I'll give it a shot. But like, my thing is there are no directions, so I don't know if I'm supposed to blend it out like this, because I don't ever use these. I don't know if I'm supposed to blend it out. I'm just supposed to like put it on and leave it and put eyeshadow on top of it. Like, I don't know. I don't use these. So it would have been nice had there been some sort of direction, which I know I can look on the Ipsy app and it'll tell me, but like, it'd be nice if there were directions. But it's like a nice color, but then when I blend it out, I'm not so sure about it. So we'll just have to see. And it's kind of patchy. Like, if you look here, it's a lot darker than it is over here, but I blended it the same. So we'll have to see. I don't know. I don't want to shoot it down before I try it. I don't know. The next thing I have is this Ciate London Starstruck eyeliner and stamp. So on one end it is an eyeliner, and on the other end it is a on the other end it is a star. It is a star stamper. I don't know when I'll ever use that star stamp, but you know, it's there if I want it, I suppose. You could like make yourself like a shooting, you could do like a cute little like star and then like some lines out, do like a cute little shooting star, like, but I don't know that I'll ever use it. But I guess it's there if I ever decide I need a star for my eyeliner. And this next thing is this Mud Masky Facial Detox Purifying Mask. It's for pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, and smoothing. I mean, it's just your typical like mud mask, and like that's supposed to make you look dirty, but look at this. This is a mud mask, and this is a freaking thing. See, I'm telling you, it makes me feel like I look dirty. Alright, and the last thing in the bag for this month is this Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Moisturizing Lip Balm, and it has hemp seed oil. It's vegan, THC free, paraben free, gluten free. See, I will probably never use this. I'm not like a person to use anything with like hemp seed oil in it, or like, because I know there's like, I think they also have like hair care stuff that's this brand. I would never buy it. Like, it's just not, I mean, not that like, you know, you're gonna get in trouble if you buy it or anything, but like, this just kind of stuff isn't appealing to me. I probably will never ever actually use this. So alright, that is it for this month's Ipsy Unbagging. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, there is a link at the top of my description, and it'll take you right over to Ipsy, and you can sign up there. If you do sign up using that link, I will give the disclaimer that I do get points for it. So if you don't want to do that way, you can just go to the Ipsy website. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.